One of our most effective body products, especially if you have dry, itchy skin, and pairing it with something brand new. From First Aid Beauty, this is the ultimate body moisturizing set. So look at the before. Immediately after, she's getting vitality back to her skin. After 7 days, so much better. So here's why I'm using this. If you're someone who you wake up in the morning and you have been scratching yourself overnight, I know some places in this country, it's very cold right now. Other places, not so cold, but every place is so dry, whether it's because of cold forced air in the house, or I'm actually like itching just thinking about, wait, I was not doing that on purpose. I was just thinking, come on out here, Jenna. I'm just gonna talk about, I was telling Jenna, this is actually embarrassing, but I have been waking up at night because it's so dry in my house.
Yes.
I've been waking up at the night and in the morning, and I have scratched my shins. I've scratched my back. And my husband's like, why do you have a big scratch mark here? I'm like, because I'm sleeping, I'm so itchy.
Yes.
So I have not tried this yet. It's a brand new, it's hot off the presses. But I have been using this. This is the Ultra Repair Body Lotion. So this is good for you. You can put it on your face. You can put it anywhere on your body. It's especially good for anyone who has eczema or true, distressed skin, like I've had lately. Then we are also going to give you, and that on its own is $38. For $1 more, and this is when it gets really exciting, we are going to give you the After-Shower Moisturizing Body Oil. That is $36 on its own. If purchased separately, $74. We're basically giving you both of them for the price of one. So Jenna, from First Aid Beauty, all right, where do you want to start? There's just so much to talk about.
Let's start with the lotion, because I think everyone knows First Aid Beauty, the OG. So you've seen me on here before where we're talking about our cream. We heard so many requests from fans that were saying, I love Ultra Repair Cream. I use it just as you said, dry, flaky, scaly skin, but I need something in a pump, and can you make it a little more lightweight just so you can spread her around for the body? So a way to make that habit of hydration really fast.
So I'm so sorry, but I didn't even tell you, I'm sorry, we have 2 scents. We have the cucumber, which is very light, and we have unscented. Cucumber, there's only 900 remaining. And only 1,500 in unscented. That's how fast this is going.
It is, just as you were speaking to, if you're someone who struggles with dry, flaky, itchy skin, you need to really demand more from your moisturizer, from your lotion.
Okay, but it's more, and it is more than that, because after I put a big scratch mark, I'll show you, look. Brian, you're gonna be like, why is she doing that? And later I'm going to say, I don't know why I did it. Look what I did.
I've done this.
No, it's not the bunny rabbit. I scratched myself in my sleep because my skin was so dry. I have 2 bunnies. No, my bunnies are nicer to me than I am to myself, apparently. No, I woke up in the morning and I had done that. It's really weird, but it's because my skin was so dry. So I'm using this now before I go to bed because it's not just a body butter or a body lotion. It has the colloidal oatmeal in it.
You're exactly right.
So this is gentle. You could put it on a little small child. It's clean beauty, but it is wildly effective for people who are really distressed right now with their skin.
You're exactly right. This is for anyone who looks at their skin, they see it's dry,
itchy, like
flaky,
it's
itchy, scaly, uncomfortable. Look at your screen right now at these before and afters. You see that before? That is classic. Dry skin. You can almost see the dead skin cells at the top of the skin. Look at after immediate use and then after 7 days. Skin gets a transformation.
And it's a real transformation.
Yes.
Let's take a look at after 1 week here. So this looks like a knee maybe or an elbow?
This is the elbow.
Oh, the elbow,
Classic place. If you're at home right now, feel your elbow.
Do you know where I itch? Well, obviously my leg, I showed you that I scratched it up. My ankles itch.
Yes.
Like I get itchy ankles. And it only really, it happens, I will use this year round, but I really need it now.
Yes.
The air is so dry. Maybe you live someplace like in the mountains of Colorado and it's always dry for you, but this is when your skin needs extra. So, look at that, immediately after.
Immediately after, skin is soothed. Look at that, it almost looks less red. And we are really helping to repair that skin. This is immediately after.
This is not just, let's throw in a little hydration. It is actually repairing the skin.
Yes.
So is this for both products?
This is both. So this is actually a consumer study we did for our lotion.
So the body lotion we're talking about right now, everybody after first use.
After first use, 100% agreed this product left their skin feeling soft, smooth, and hydrated. 100% agreed this product provides the ideal lightweight hydration for body. 98% agreed this product absorbs instantly, blends easily, and doesn't leave a residue on skin.
We've been talking about the lotion, and we're going to see it apply, but I really want to get to, and we only have a minute left here, this shower nourishing body oil, because we have not actually talked about that yet, and I think this is going to be what, for so many of us, is the game changer. So when I get out of the shower, I'm just going to put this on. It has like a tangerine, little light tangerine fragrance.
Yes.
Nice.
So this is made with skin-loving lipids. This has botanical oils, but this is an after-shower nourishing body oil.
And a little goes a long way.
A little goes a long way, and we specifically made this to be used right when you hop out of the shower, when the skin is still damp. So you really help to
before the air sucks the moisture out of you.
Before the air sucks the moisture out. But you know what my favorite thing is? This is something, if you're someone who you are trying to build the habit of hydration, and you need to get out fast out the door in the morning, keep this right outside your shower. Right when you get out, towel dry quickly, but apply this to damp skin.
So I can put the body lotion on top of this if I want. I can use this in the morning, this in the night before you go to bed. You can spot treat, but you are basically getting two for the price of one, because normally the body lotion is $38. For just $1 more, we're including the new $36 showered oil. $74 value that you're getting home for 5 easy payments of $7.80. Unscented is flying out of here, and we still have some cucumber available. Jenna, thank you so much.
Having you in our show.
Thank you so much.
We're so excited that you were able to make it tonight. Thank you.
My skin feels great hydrating with you.
All right, so listen, I want to give you one quick update on our today's special value. It is still available, but we are down to our final quantities, final 49